ALM Welding Positioners. Let us show you how our positioners can improve safety and quality while increasing your bottom line. Proper assembly positioning is a proven method to increase production output, improve safety and quality, thereby significantly reducing cost. Fixed or adjustable base positioners can boost your throughput 35% or more. Many of our customers report a return on their investment in less than a year. Repeatable assembly processes support reliable production and manpower schedules with high productivity and reduced rework and consumables. Our positioner lifts safely bring the work to the worker, achieving the best ergonomic position with unsurpassed speed. Fixed or adjustable base positioners have consistently boosted plant throughput with its inherent increase in profit. Positioning large components for welding and assembly using cranes, chains, grippers, and slings is always time-consuming and hazardous. Rarely is the weldment or assembly in an optimum position for most efficient manufacturing. With our optional controls, the headstock and tailstock of this unit can operate independently for additional positioning flexibility. Specialized fixturing is required to allow this additional functionality. Better positioning brings improved weld quality and simplified tool access. This 3,500-pound capacity unit has 360 degrees of rotation on both axes. Our positioners can change positions quickly, typically repositioning your workpiece in less than 60 seconds. The headstock tailstock units can be designed for capacities up to 65,000 pounds and vertical travel of 73 inches. Our unique hydraulic design with a continuously engaged dual locking system uses much less space and power than oversized alternative positioners that frequently cost twice as much. We assure our reliability. We lower your operation risk profile by backing up our quality assurance practices with a lifetime warranty on carriage bearings and the kind of responsive, long-life assurance available only from a made-in-the-USA manufacturer. Remember, when performance counts, ALM delivers.